welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I have a grocery haul. We're going to do some produce prep. We are going to clean out the fridge. We're going to clean out our drink fridge that is down in the garage because it is nasty, and we're going to organize that and clean all of that. But as you just saw in the first clip, I already have all the groceries laid out, so we're going to start off with that. We did grocery pickup from Peapod, from Stop and Shop. They were out of a couple of things, but mainly we got everything we needed. So let me flip you around and show you everything that we got. So over here, starting with the produce, we got 2 English cucumbers, 1 avocado. I have 4 ears of corn. I have 2 2-pound bags of carrots, big bag of green grapes, big bag of red grapes. We've got some organic strawberries, bananas, Oreos. These were part of like a deal when you bought certain things, so the kids ended up with some Oreos. We have some egg whites, some, I think it doesn't yet, so 18 just brown eggs. We were supposed to get 6 of these and 6 of the other yogurts, but neither one of, they only had 3 of each one, which was funny. But I got some of these cauliflower crackers to try, and I also got some of these wisps for my salads. We have 2 things of string cheese, because I've been loving having string cheese and almonds and grapes for a snack. And then over here, we have 2 things of English muffins, another thing of cauliflower crackers to try. I guess these are, I don't know if these are like the same thing. I guess these are more of like a Cheez-It, and the other ones are more of like just like a regular cracker. And then I got 2 of these Ritz crackers for the kids. I got some more almonds with sea salt for myself. And then over here, we stocked up on a bunch of drinks. They had a bunch of the vitamin waters that we love on sale. So we got 2 of the lemonade zero sugar vitamin waters and 5 of the zero sugar Power C dragon fruit. This is like mine and Layton's absolute favorite. And then we have 2 of these AHA soda waters. These are so good, and by far my favorite out of all of the sparkling water. So this is the orange and grapefruit. So we're gonna go get everything put. So I have the grapes all soaking. I soak them in white vinegar and super cold water. I'm sure you guys already know that if you've been around for a while. That's how I soak all of my fruit. I've got the strawberries there along with my protein shake. And I need to get rid of all of these bags, and then we are going to clean out the fridge. It's not bad at all. It just, I like to wipe it down and just kind of reorganize, get rid of anything that needs to get thrown out, which I don't think there's anything, but just in case. Sorry, my phone's going off. So we're gonna do that, and then we need to tackle the garage fridge. There's like bugs and dirt, and like it's disgusting because it's a garage fridge and I literally never clean it out, but we're gonna clean that all out and organize that. Say a prayer for me, because it's gonna take me a while and it's gonna be disgusting.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without Sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes. Wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. You got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Baby, without.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
All right, so the fridge is all organized. We have all of the fruit prepped and washed and ready to go. Leighton's saying hi. All of our vegetables are in there. I've already gone through all of the condiments, so everything was good there. Nothing is sticky or dirty or messy that needs to get done. So that is all done, and now we head to the garage fridge and We're gonna put all of these drinks away and organize everything down there. This is the fridge. I have a couple of these soda organizers, so we'll use those. There's one in there, I think, but you can't really, it's hard to see how, like, this bottom shelf is broken, but look at that crumbs and dirt, and it's just disgusting. So let's get this all cleaned out and stocked up.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah.
All right, so our drink fridge is all cleaned out. Look at the shelves. It actually wasn't really as bad. This is like a little stained. This is an old fridge we got like secondhand. But so this shelf I just left empty. Here's our, like where I put usually our milk if we have extra milk or coffee or things like that. There's so much wine and alcohol and things like that. I took all these out because I have no idea how long they've even been in there. So we have Bud Light. We have so much of it because my parents got Kevin for Father's Day, like a big, however many, a 24 pack. So that's what's in there. So there's those. These are my drinks of choice. The Nantucket Cranberry I think is actually my favorite over the High Noons. So, but the High Noons is a second, the watermelon. So good. So we have those. So beer, alcohol, waters, soda water, my protein drinks. I don't drink this. Sometimes this is just for like on the go if I'm rushing out and need something quick. Sodas, Diet Coke, soda water, and all vitamin waters and Gatorades. So I tried to keep stuff kind of grouped together as much as possible. And then, okay, the kids are playing hide and seek. And then I just have some extra soda waters down there that are open. That I just wanted to kind of keep together. And then here's all like the extra waters and things like that. So we are now all organized and my OCD is happy. We are I'm cleaning and the kids are playing hide and seek. Hi. Quick, 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 get down, get down. All right, so that is it. All of our produce is washed. All our refrigerators are cleaned out. I'm so glad to have that drink fridge done. I think the last time one of the kids, and probably Brendan, did it, but they didn't like wipe it down or clean it. I think sometimes if we need waters, I'm like, can you guys put waters in the fridge or stuff like that? But it was really in desperate need of a good wipe down. So sorry, I'm standing in the kitchen and my dishwasher is going, so it's a little bit loud. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you consider subscribing down below and consider hitting that thumbs up button. Both of those things really help my channel, lets me know what kind of videos you guys like, and you could always leave in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. So thank you so much again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.